Today was a gorgeous day to be outside. Here's a live look over our Southeast Community College camera. Although it was breezy, you can see the camera shaking in the wind there. It was very warm, didn't feel overly humid outside. 76 the high so far in Lincoln. Max sustained winds this afternoon. We're out of the southeast at about 25 miles per hour. So those are the breezy conditions that I was just talking about. Some tried to make it to 80 degrees, weren't quite successful. 78 the high in Grand Island, 78 in Kearney. Everybody made it up into the 70s today. However, we are looking off towards the west. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for the yellow shaded counties until 11 o'clock tonight, mainly in north central Nebraska and out towards western Nebraska. There are some ongoing thunderstorms in the panhandle regions and just to the east of that. The only severe thunderstorm warning we have in the state of Nebraska is for Cherry County or eastern Cherry County until about 6:30 Central Time, affecting about 2,800 people or so. Let's put a quick storm track on this because this is the northwest edge of the Channel 8 viewing area. So Norden, around 6:40, you're going to expect this thunderstorm to arrive. Wouldn't be shocked by the end of the newscast if we did have a severe thunderstorm warning come out for Keopaha counties, maybe Rock County. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. We'll bring that to you at the end of the newscast if it comes out before then. So let's pick up Stormcast at 6 o'clock tonight. You see this line of thunderstorms moving off towards the east. You see a lot of reds here. The main concerns there are damaging winds and hail. I think hail is probably the bigger concern out of this. Not real concerned about tornadoes tonight. Greeley and Ord, you may see some of this thunderstorm activity. Broken Bow, you may see some of this thunderstorm activity. And even the Tri-Cities. However, this will be 2 a.m. tomorrow morning, so we're going into the overnight hours. This line of thunderstorms will start to decay, so it's going to try to make a run for the Tri-Cities, but it'll be weakening as it does so. Not expecting too much severe weather in this chunk of real estate. And check out what happens as we go in towards tomorrow morning. This falls apart almost completely. We're looking at a broken line of showers early tomorrow morning, so if you have to head out early tomorrow morning for any maybe early Mother's Day plans, take the umbrella with you as you will have to dodge some of these, but that's where we have the best chance for rainfall. Now granted, we still can't rule out a spotty shower going into the afternoon hours. This is Stormcast 11 a.m. Still see a couple radar blips there, even going in towards 3 o'clock. A spotty shower is possible, but the best chance by and large will be in the morning hours. I'd say as long as we have cloud cover, we have the chance to see a spotty shower, maybe even a little bit of mist at times. But out to the west, you may see a little bit more sunshine out towards the Tri-Cities, so we're holding on to the clouds mainly in eastern Nebraska for your Mother's Day, and then eventually that'll try to lift off towards the north as we go in towards tomorrow evening. As far as how much rainfall is concerned, we're not looking at a whole heck of a lot of rainfall, maybe 2/100 of an inch, and it ultimately depends on how much that line of thunderstorms falls apart. If it falls apart like we just showed you, yeah, this is likely going to be the reality, but you might see a little bit more totals out farther to the west where the storm still has some steam as they're moving off towards the east. So for tonight, 59 degrees, clouds increasing, some morning rain possible, but check out our 10-day forecast. We're going to warm up going into your Monday. Sunny skies, 90 degrees the high there, and you may feel the humidity as well. A weak disturbance tries to move by on Tuesday, maybe an isolated morning shower there. A temperature slightly cooler on Tuesday with temperatures in the middle 80s, so it's still warm nevertheless. Back into the 90s on Wednesday and Thursday, some very small chances for rain. This is not going to be the washout type of rain event that we saw over the last 2 weeks. We have rain chances elevated pretty much through Friday and Saturday and then drying out by the end of next weekend.